Hello, everybody, and happy early Thanksgiving to those of you who do celebrate it. Welcome back to this week's episode of Coffee with CREN, and today we are doing a follow-up to my previous Coffee with CREN tutorial about how to invite your clients to get on the Collaboration Center application, so that way they can access any listings that are being shared with them from their saved searches, all that fun jazz. So, we're right here. We're on the Collaboration Center kind of main screen. The name of the app is Collaboration Center. You can go onto the Google Play Store or the iOS Store and just search Collaboration Center. And it looks very similar to how it looks now with that house icon with the chimney on it. Very easy to find and very small app, very quick download. As like our last tutorial showed, this is the screen that it starts on, and this is where you will put in your app invite code. If you don't know where to find your app invite code, please watch the previous Coffee with Kren regarding where to find that. And if you're in the office with your client and you're kind of needing to show them the app, kind of how it works and that kind of thing, that's what this Coffee with Kren is aimed at teaching you. So let's say they install the app on their phone and you go ahead and give them their app invite code. In this case, I'm just using one of the test searches or test clients that I have set up. So we're going to type in that invite code. Please keep in mind that these are case sensitive. So if you do uppercase or lowercase with the wrong letter, it's not actually going to work. Once you put the invite code in, you'll hit submit, give it a little bit spin, and then it'll prompt you if you would like Collaboration Center to send you notifications. This will send them the same kind of notifications that they would receive on an email, but instead it's from the app as a push notification. In this case, I'm going to click don't allow just because I have a huge search set up for this testing and I don't want to get swarmed with notifications during the day. But for a regular client, allowing it should be completely fine. Right here takes you to the welcome screen. This might look a little similar to the Collaboration Center you're already used to seeing, but please keep in mind that this is client-sided. This is not an agent app. If you're wanting an application for you as an agent to use, that is where you would use Paragon Connect. In this case, this is for clients only, not for agents. You get on the welcome screen here, you'll see that there is a search bar up the top so they can actually search through listings if you have that option enabled for that client. It'll show them any updates for their search, so new matches, price changes, status, open house, and if the first photo was ever changed, how many listings currently match the criteria, how many listings do they have, saved, and then listings recommended by the agent. And then kind of similar to how the Paragon Connect apps looks, your clients have the ability to view their tags, search property. They're able to create their own saved searches. They're able to view and make comments on different listings and also contact you. And if you tap on that, you'll see right here when it loads up right here, it'll bring up your entire kind of welcome message that you have set up in the system. And if you have any contact info in here, it'll show it. And then at the bottom of the page, there's always going to be that contact my agent button also, so they can always quickly get here. And then in the top right, there is an email button and a call button, so they can just tap on that. For example, tap on the call, it'll bring up any phone numbers. If you tap on the email, it'll bring up which email you want to email. Hitting the three bars up in the top left, again, kind of a similar look to Paragon Connect, but again, client focused. Home, property search, my save searches, comments tags, any recent sales that you may have had or that have happened, and then contact agent or help. So if your clients are ever stuck and they need some help trying to learn the app and you're not around, they can click on that help here and this will actually teach them how to use the app as a client. So we're just going to go back to the home page here. Everything on here is pretty self-explanatory. If you ever deal with a client who was previously working with an agent and is now moving on to another agent, they are able to tap their profile picture up in the top right and they can click on new invitation code. So they tap on new invitation code and then this will transfer you or transfer the client to a new collaboration site, whether it's yours or if they go to another agent, the process would be the same. So, Collaboration Center website, no longer website. We now have it in app form that you can download. Apps tend to be much quicker, efficient, and just overall easier to use. If you have any questions regarding the app or you need any kind of further training for this, feel free to give CREN a call or email us. I'm going to repeat this probably for the 100th time in this video. This is a client app. So this is not for agents to use, but we want to teach agents how to use the app so that way they can teach their clients in case they ever have any questions. Thank you for joining me on this week's episode of Coffee with CREN. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Have happy holidays and goodbye.